So good morning and welcome over to Blizzard Beach. Here today we decided to come on over because it's the first time we get to visit Blizzard Beach this year so far. Plus it's just a water park, plus it's outside of the busy season, so we just are really excited because we like Blizzard Beach a lot. We like the Disney water parks and all that stuff. So we've got our bathing suits, we've got our towels, and we're gonna be heading into the park right now. Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park. So far, the park opened about 10 minutes ago and it doesn't seem very busy, so maybe it's a good day to be at the water park today. I do love the fact they call this the beach house and skis because it's supposed to be themed after Blizzard. A blizzard came through. Walking up in there, you can see all the way one of the tallest body slides in the world, Summit Plummet.
Are you doing it?
I don't know if I'll do it today or not. I'm not 100% sure. About 12 stories up, straight down. I think you get about 45-50 miles an hour. I think that's what it is. So that's definitely one of the rides here. Blizzard doesn't have a whole lot as much as like Typhoon though. So we usually like Typhoon more, but we also like Blizzard Beach. We just like both water parks. So we came over here because we need to go ahead and get a locker. We're gonna go ahead and already transition into the GoPro. I actually don't have the hand mount today like I normally do, so gonna have to just deal with what I do have the head mount I have, but not the hand mount. Kind of fun seeing the wave pool and everything. We're actually gonna head over to like the toboggan racers first, like the mat slides, and do those. Because I don't have the hand strap, you see I have to use my head strap. I'm hoping I can wear it onto like the toboggan racers because like it's actually get easier than using the hand strap. And if I can't, I'll just hold it. So we'll make. Got a duck crossing right here. Here's one ride Allie won't do is the Double Dipper. It's like this racing style ride, where at the top it actually drops you down and then it comes down fast. It's like a racing, so it's kind of... So going up the purple slope to do the toboggan racers. I think it's a snowstormer, but something like that. But here's the part about Blizzard Beach and Typhoon. All the flippin' stairs. I gotta tell you, those slides are really fun. Those mat slides. I don't know what it's about. I like the snowstormer. That was the first one. I thought it was the toboggan racer. The toboggan racer is the 8-lane one that we did second. But I actually really prefer the head mount over anything else because one, I think they prefer it here because you can keep your hands completely free. So, but I mean, like when we go like on the Teamboat Springs one, I'm probably end up going to be wearing like holding it because I want to be able to get a better view of it. So. But we're gonna head over to the red slope of the Runoff Rapids because the last time we were here, last couple times we've been here, they actually were closed. So it'd be kind of cool to do those because of that. So now we're here at Runoff Rapids, and what's kind of cool about these is that they're kind of really enclosed like in the jungle, as Allie calls them, the jungle slides. They have 3 different ones. They have, actually no, they only have one open air one. They actually got rid of the other one. Wow. Yeah, so something I didn't realize they had changed was, I guess when they went to the refurbishment, so when you get up to the very top, you have an open, enclosed, and there used to be an open slide, because they got rid of it, because there's only 2 slides up there, and I don't know if there's a reason why behind it, but I liked having all 3 of those. But I do like that a lot. I like the enclosed one, I like the open air one, mostly because you guys can actually see it too, so I think our plan is to head over to the ski lift, so like the chairlift and everything, and then we're gonna go do Teamboat Springs, and then I think we're just gonna hang out Lazy River for a little bit, and then just kind of decide what we're gonna do, because we didn't intend to be here that long. It's a kind of quick change of plans, because it has a very short wait right now for the double dipper. I'm gonna go do it. Ali doesn't like doing this ride because of the drops, and it is kind of intense, so I am kind of excited to do it again because I haven't done it in a while. So we're gonna go ahead and do the chairlift up to the top of Mount Gushmore, because we're gonna do the Teamboat Springs raft ride. A little long wait to wait, but you know what? It's no big deal. There you go. Usually there's a photographer out here with the hidden Mickey, quote unquote, with the rafts at the head and the tubes as the ears. And look, they can use all these rafts if they needed to. It was super busy, but it's not very busy today. Now it's cold now. I think we're gonna jump into the Lazy River. So I know we weren't in the water very long. We only did a few rides, but again, we don't usually stay at this water park since we do live in the area. I do kind of want to show you the map a little bit before we leave, and then I want to show you like the merchandise locations, see some of the merchandise they have to offer. So, but quickly, there's the here's the story behind it.
This lazy pool is bigger than that. Oh, my phone's in a big pocket.
Yeah. Like right here they have the information when the park's open and the wait times. Everything's less than 15 minutes, and that's the map. So the big thing, this has a long lazy river. The middle sections, which are like the 10 and 9, are those like little toboggan racers. Number 11 is the downhill double dipper, like triple D. Number 12 is the Runoff Rapids. That's what we did. Then we came around, we walked back around, and then did the ski lift up to Mount Gushmore and did Teamboat Springs, but it also is a way you can walk up to it. And then there's the pool, which isn't as fun as Typhoon Lagoons. Typhoons, I feel like we always have to go in it. And then this section right here is like the kiddie section, which we haven't gone into, but we also don't have a kid. So, I mean, like I know we can go there and look around, but no big deal. So that's kind of the map. It's kind of a big park, but kind of small at the same time compared to like the Disney parks. So we're gonna go ahead and stop in one of the merchandise locations, look at some merchandise they have. So kind of going to the beach house just really quick, see if there's anything Blizzard Beach merchandise wise. This is also where you can get the patios and you can get lodge umbrella rentals. And then also over there is another little spot to take your picture at. It's like supposed to be designed like you're getting skis and stuff. Because see, there's the boots. skis and then like little toboggans. I like the fact they sell beach towels here, and that's a really good deal. So when you buy two, they're $22 a piece. Normally they're $26, so right there you save, what, about $12 when you buy two of them. I know it's $44, but instead of it being $52. I like the grumpy one. And because there is sand here, you can buy sand stuff, so you have like little buckets and shovels, some toys, and then sandcastle stuff. And then kind of walking out here, you have what's called Sunny's Sleds. We love toboggan with you, which means they're gonna bargain. And there's kind of a cool little spot you can take a picture at, so I love the theming. It's so much, like the Disney parks have such good theming. I mean, I know we haven't been to Volcano Bay yet, but Volcano Bay is somewhere we want to go soon. So that's gonna go ahead and do it for us from Blizzard Beach. I mean, it was only here for really 2 hours, but if you come during this time of the year, right before summertime, it's super slow. We were able to get on everything. The only thing we didn't do, and I just didn't feel like doing it, was Summit Plummet and Crush Gusher, I think it's what, no, not Crush and Gusher, because that's what that Typhoon, it's like the other little, like, it's like a hilly body slide, but that's the only 2 body slides, and we didn't do those. But overall, it was a good day. We got to do the toboggan racers and the snowstormers. Got to do Runoff Rapids. I got to do the downhill double dipper, and we got to do Teamboat Springs and ride the ski lift up, and then do the lazy river. So with all that being said, as we do head out from Blizzard Beach, we will see y'all next time.